Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe and I will show you which fuses to check in case one of your power outlets is not working. You will have one power outlet right here in the dashboard, and you will have one power outlet inside the middle console right here. This video will apply to Genesis Coupes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. In 2013 they made couple of changes, so that's why it only applies to this first generation. Now both the fuses you want to check will be located in a small fuse box on the driver's side of the instrument panel. Right here. Now to remove this cover, all you have to do is pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. The front power outlet fuse, so the one in the dashboard, is located right here, and it's a 15 amp fuse. And just below it there is one more 15 amp fuse which is responsible for power to the middle console power outlet. So you want to check these two fuses. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.